Okay, so I'm going to go over what I need for a grade for this assignment really quickly. So over here, this is kind of the preview window within Snapchat. So I want you to do a Shift Command 4 on a Mac or just a screenshot on a PC. I'm not quite sure how to do that, but you can always look it up if you don't know how to. But you just click and drag these little crosshairs and that'll take a photo. And so I want whatever product you put here, hopefully it's something different than a cheeseburger. But you can use a cheeseburger if you want, but I'd rather you just find something different, honestly. And then, let's see, just make sure it's a PNG file with a transparent background. So I want that screenshot for a grade, and then if you do your publish lens, you should be able to come in here on my lenses when you're logged in. And I actually submitted it twice, but this is the first one that I did, and it's public currently. So I just want you to do a screenshot here, Shift Command 4 on a Mac. And so I want those two screenshots within Brightspace. So upload those two screenshots, kind of proving that you uploaded these within the Snapchat while being logged into Snapchat, I guess.